Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Votaw, or 10 miles west of Thicket, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Romeo, Sano, and Rye. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas.
Place to find Sleep Number Smart.
This is your NOAA weather radio station KGT 68, Houston, Texas. Flood warning.